how we can share entire screen of our MacBook while we use Google Chrome. So to do that, we have to click here in this Apple icon, then select system settings. Now we have to go to privacy and security. Then we have to search here accessibility and click over there. Now click here this plus icon. Now put our password, click modify settings. Now we have to search here Google Chrome. Select Google Chrome, click open. Okay, now go back and select here screen recording. Click here plus icon, again search here Google Chrome, select Google Chrome, click open and click here quit and reopen. We must click over there. Done. Okay, and here you can see your Google Chrome is opened newly and you are done to share your entire screen.